And those questions are rolling in right now for Christopher Cook from Alliance Insurance. He's answering all of your questions, anything you want to know. Your question is anonymous and answered in real time. First off, does homeowners insurance cover you if you live in a townhouse?
Yes, a homeowner's policy is designed for a townhome. You would have a homeowner's policy if you owned that townhome. If you're renting a townhome, then you would have what's called a renter's policy. And sometimes there's confusion between the difference between a condo and a townhome. If you own a condominium, you have a different kind of policy called an HO6, which is specifically for condo owners.
If a lightning strike took out your AC, does the insurance company pay to replace that?
Provided you have replacement cost coverage on your homeowner's policy, yes.
Do most people have that? Is that something like I need to call and ask to make sure I have?
They should have it, yes. Most agents in our state have all went to writing replacement cost policies. You certainly can call your agent and check and make sure, but for the most part, you should have a replacement cost contract, yes.
Okay, this one's really interesting. Someone said, if your house is broken into while you're on vacation and the insurance company finds you were posting pictures while you were out of town, are they still supposed to cover that?
Yes, they would cover that.
So there's no like sleuthing from the insurance agent to find fault of you.
Yeah, I don't know where some of these rumors get started. You also don't pay more money to insure a red car. It's just some of those things that get said and aren't quite accurate. But yes, you shouldn't post pictures while you're on vacation, and I guess it could be said that why do you need to post pictures of your vacation, period? But you're not going to void the contract of your insurance by posting while you're on vacation.
Do it like our grandparents, have the slideshow when you get back for all the neighbors.
There you go.
So I'm curious, what other rumors have you heard?
Well, we hear things like I left my keys in my car and the insurance company won't pay that claim because I was negligent. Yes, you were negligent. This isn't the nicest thing I've ever said, but we pay for stupid every day. Human beings make mistakes. We're not perfect. And if you leave your keys in your car, that's a pretty bad mistake, but you still have theft coverage on your auto insurance policy, and that claim is going to get paid. So there's, the insurance industry, for some just reasons, gets a bad rap sometimes. And some of these things like that, just misconceptions of how claims are paid, are out there.
Someone says, I've heard that your credit score goes into your insurance rate. How much do you have to improve your credit score to get a big discount?
Every point matters, I would say that, and the person asking that question is spot on. That's probably the most important factor in your rate, other than the value of your vehicle or the value of your home, is your credit score. That's the current way that insurance is rated, and it plays a major role.
Wow. So how do you get them to check it again? Do you need to call them and say, hey, rerun it?
You simply ask, yes.
Someone wants to know, our house is downhill from the road. If a fire hydrant burst or a public water line breaks at the top of the road, is our home insured without flood insurance?
That's a broad question. I could simply say most likely, and I hate to not be specific, but most likely. The burst and the suddenness of that incident are what would make it a payable claim. If the water hydrant leaked for 6 months and gradually deteriorated your basement door, that's a whole other issue. But yes, the burst or the suddenness of that would make it covered most likely.
So if a pipe in my own house burst and I don't have any flood insurance, always. What is it that flood insurance does then? Can you clear that up for people?
Yeah, of course. So flood is not water damage inside your home that came from the water inside your home. Flood is a natural event caused by rain, most likely in our area, sometimes snow melt, but that's pretty rare. And the damage comes from outside your home. So the water seeps into or enters your home from the outside. And that's what a flood is.
Well, thanks for clearing that up. We're going to keep getting the facts straight from the source after this.